Hey folks, back with Embrace the Outdoors. We're going to try the Williams Dam tonight. This is Adam.
Howdy folks. About to do a little fishing down here. September 1st, 2019. Let's get to it.
Woo!
Today I'm going to be using my Lew's Xfinity Speed Stick. Get this at Walmart for about 50 bucks. One of the best rods I ever owned. I'm also going to be using a little shallow crankbait. It's a little tiger colored one. You can get these at Walmart as well for about 3 bucks. It's one of the best baits I've ever used. Well, let's go try to catch some bass, why don't we?
Let's get this started here, boys. Alright guys, I'm going to try a little Road Runner with a white jig. See what we can get. Well folks, we got a little bit of a late start today. It was good weather going in, and
A little bit nasty coming out.
we had a nasty storm rolling in.
Figured it'd be safer than sorry. Say there's some lightning in the distance. Never want to be around that.
We really hope you guys enjoy watching us. We'll have plenty more videos on the way.
You know, as life goes, fishing is the main thing. You got to get out there in the summertime, throw a line in, kill an hour or two, especially with a good buddy like Landon here. You
Good
can't have
buddies,
anything
lines
better.
in the water. That's a good time right there.
Even though the fish won the game today, we still embrace the outdoors. That's what life's about.
Oh yeah.
Stay tuned, folks. We'll have more videos eventually, and we'll just have fish to share with you.
And if you ain't already liked and subscribed to my page, go ahead and do that now, please.
You better do it.
Thanks for watching.
See you, folks.